We spot that this is a weakening question. The conclusion of the argument is the last sentence of the paragraph. The missing link is between all the information presented and the conclusion that the player misconduct has increased. Choice A is a trap. This talks about the number of players being higher, but this part of the argument suggests that the average number of penalties per player has also more than doubled. Therefore, the roster of players increasing has no impact on the conclusion here. Answer choice C delves into the nuances, suggesting that any one type of foul had decreased. This does not address the point that the number of penalties more than doubled. This answer choice has no impact on the conclusion of the argument. Choice C is even worse, suggesting that the increase in the number of penalties incurred was quite large for most players, and this increase was minor for rest of the players. This is all operational mumbo jumbo. This has no impact on the conclusion of the argument. Same is the problem with answer choice E. It ends up saying a lot, but none of this has any impact on the conclusion of the argument. Once again, all of this is just delving into the nuances, the operational mumbo jumbo. Choice B is interesting in that it suggests that improved training practices made referees to catch misconduct more effectively than ever before, suggesting that referees were generally catching a higher number of misconducts, and this increase in penalties may not have been just for the team in question here. Therefore, by suggesting that the total number of misconduct caught by the referees generally increased and the conclusion that the player misconduct had practically increased is weakened. Answer choice B attacks the missing link, thereby weakening the argument. B is the correct answer choice.